Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be working with a couple of celebration items. The Wonderful World combo set, the bundle. It's the stamp set and designer series paper. It does come 12 by 12, but I cut mine down to 4 by 6. And we're also going to be using the Amazing Phrasing Celebration stamp set. Both of these are at the level 2 level, which means you need to spend $100 to get each. $100 for this one and $100 for this one. So if you spend $200, you can get all of this for free. Okay? So before we get on our project, of course, we have to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. And we're going to start with our brand new paper pumpkin kit, Spooky Treats. Is coming for September. You have until September 10th to subscribe to get this particular kit. And this is going to make 18 treat boxes, okay? And I believe the stamping spot is going to be Orchid Oasis, I think. I think I read that somewhere. Okay, and there is a link in the description box below for the paper pumpkin kit for you to subscribe. And as I was talking about Sale-A-Bration, if you shop, you can earn free product by spending $50. You can earn a couple of products, and $100 you can earn some products. So there's two different levels, $50 and $100, but both you earn free products. If you host a workshop, you can earn host exclusive product, which is the Perfect Pomegranate Stamp Set. When your sales or your personal order reaches $300 or more, you can get this for free during Sale-A-Bration, which will be over at the end of August. And if you join Stampin' Up during Sale-A-Bration, you can get some extra things added to your kit. So your kit is $99 plus tax. Shipping is free. You get to choose $125 worth of product, anything of your choice, except for Sale-A-Bration items. And in your kit, they will throw in the Making Plans collection, which is a planner, 3 journals, and a stamp set, okay? And we have gotten some new items added to the Sale-A-Bration selection of products to choose from. And we have the Timber 3D embossing folder, the Gingham embossing folder, and the Seashell 3D embossing folder. The Brush Metallic 12 by 12 cardstock, along with the Silver Foil specialty foil cardstock, and then the craft gift boxes are all at the $50 level. And for the $100 level, we have the Flowers of Home dies, the Dots and Spot dies, and the Aspen Tree dies, because a couple of the items in the brochure have been sold out, and they've added some of these until August 31st, okay? And all items are while supplies last. Lastly, we have our host code for August. This is the code I would like for you to use whenever you're placing an order with me. Unless your order is $150 or more, do not use this host code, because you will qualify for Stampin' Rewards, and Stampin' Rewards equals free products from Stampin' Up, okay? So that is all of our buzzworthy business for today. So let's go ahead and get started on our project. And what we're doing today is a sheet load of cards from Call Me Crafty Owl, her August 2022 card sketch. So you can I'm gonna have a link in the description box for she'll tell you how to get her free PDF for all the measurements and everything, and that she has a cutting guide and all of that. So we have a couple of sheets of DSP, couple of pieces, not sheets, but this is the designer series paper that we're going to be using. Then we have some cardstock here, some basic white for the inside, some rich razzleberry and basic white for stamping. This is going to be for the inside. Let's see, let me get all my inside pieces, because we can go ahead and put that together. And again, we're using the Wonderful World designer series paper and stamp set. Okay, so let's put our inside together. I'm going to go ahead and glue. This strip is about 3/4 an inch. We're going to cut it down to 3.5. This basic white layer is 3.5 by 4 3/4. And we're just going to pop this on right here at the bottom of our cardstock. or the side, depending on how it goes into your card. And ours, this is going to be the side. Okay, so we have that in there. Let me get my scissors. We'll just trim this edge. Trim that even. And I don't think I'm doing any stamping on the inside. Let me see. No stamping on the inside. I could, but we're not. So we're just gonna go ahead and glue this to this sheet of designer series paper, which is 5 1/4 by 4. I don't usually put it on designer series paper, but I just thought I want to try to start doing that because I need to use up more of my designer series paper. I love this side of this paper. This is such a gorgeous sheet. I had a really hard time choosing the other side, but this was too busy to flip it the other way. So we're going to just put this on the inside here of our card base, just like that. And there we have the inside of our card done. And I'm going to go ahead and start gluing together elements, and we'll stamp last. So this piece, oh, that side is pretty too. Oh my gosh. This whole paper stack is really pretty. So I'm going to just line this up on this rich raspberry. Try to center it. It's going to go all the way to the edge, but in the center, up and down. So all the way to the edge there. Then this piece is going to go whoop, whoop, on the other side. I have bits sticking to me, paper's flipping. So we're going to put this one, we're going to try to line it up with this to keep it in line. And it's going to go all the way to the edge, just like that one. Okay, and then we're going to take this entire strip. What is this? I keep putting on my cardstock something. I don't know. Okay. So we're going to glue this right, not at the middle, but sort of lower. Just a little bit lower than middle. Like that. This is so cute. Oh, I love these colors. I was not planning on using the stripe side. See, all the flower side is so pretty. But I was trying to make it not so busy. And the flower sides are kind of busy, so womp womp. But that's okay. The yellow stripes are just as gorgeous. So we're going to sit this right here in the middle of our card base. Make sure it's centered. Okay, so we're done with the glue. And what else do we need? What else do we need to do? Oh, we need to do some stamping. How about that? That would be a good idea. So let's go ahead and get some stamping done. I'm have the rich raspberry here, and I am going to be stamping a sentiment from the Amazing Phrasing. And it says, I miss you. We're going to stamp this at the bottom of our cardstock here. Try to get that right at the bottom. And that's all we're going to do with this ink. Okay, and from the Wonderful World stamp set, we have this floral image here. And we're going to be doing some direct to stamps with our Stampin' Right markers. Okay, so I have Mossy Meadow, Pear Pizzazz, Daffodil Delight, and Crushed Curry. And we're going to start with our Pear Pizzazz, and we're going to use the thick marker tip in, and we're going to do the stems and the leaves of our flower. Just going to color that, and you want to try to use the side of the marker, not the tip, because you don't want to ruin the tip of your marker. Okay. Oop. Then we're going to take our Mossy Meadow, and we're just going to do the main stem right, and then the side ones, let's go out to the side. Then I'm just going to put some veins. Just a, ooh, that was a little too much. I just wanted a little. Okay, let me see if I can rub that out. Kind of rub that out. And yes, this darker color is going on my Pear Pizzazz, but I can just get some scrap paper and scribble it off. It'll be okay. Ooh, excuse me. Next, we're going to do the Daffodil Delight for the flower. We're just going to put that all over the flower. Making sure we get down to that base. Don't get into the green though. Okay. Then we're going to take our crushed curry and just add some dark spots. Just a couple here and there. Just to give it some dimension. I think that's good. Then we're going to huff on it to re-moisten our flower ink and stamp it right on. Hold it a little bit. It's going to give it like a kind of a watercolor look. That's cute. Okay, so now that we have that done, I have some of the crinkle seam binding ribbon. It comes in white, and I have colored it with the I colored it with Flirty Flamingo light, and it was too light. I was trying to match this Flirty Flamingo here, and then I went over that with the light Melon Mambo to get this color. So I'm not sure if I can recreate this or not, but I'm going to tie this around our image here. Let me turn it upside down because I usually tie best upside down. And we're going to just put a, not a bow, but like a knot over to the side here. So let me hold that down. I could have did a faux knot, but since this is such a small piece, I thought just wrap it around and tie it. I'm trying to use ribbon more because I don't use it enough, I don't think. And we're just going to trim our tails here. Trim that up. Get some dimensionals to put this onto our card. So let me fly away or run away. Get some dimensionals on. Don't stick right there. I want you here. Let me see. Let me get this ribbon straight. And then I'm going to put... That doesn't look straight on the back, but it looks straight on the front. Okay, well, whatever. I just want to make sure that doesn't go anywhere. Okay, that's enough dimensionals. I wanted to add more, but such a little piece. We're done. So let's remove our backings and head toward the end of making this card. Oh, come on. Okay, and then we're just going to put this right here over to the side, just like that. And then we're going to take your pick tool and add some iridescent rhinestone jewels, basic jewels. So you get those out. And I'm going to put these where? I don't know. Oh man, wrong side. I like using this side for the bigger. I think maybe one here. We have 3 different sizes, so let's use all 3 of them. One up here. Then we'll put a small one about right here. Yeah, about right there. And that's it, you guys. that is our card done. Isn't it cute? Again, this is the August 2022 sheet load of card sketch from Call Me Crafty Owl. Really cute. I like this. Okay, you guys, that is all I have for you today. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later.